Hi viewers, today we are learning about making table in Microsoft Word. So let's start. I'm opening MS Word. There are many ways to make tables in Microsoft Word. The first option is we can make tables from the insert button placed here. When you click on insert table, here we can choose the number of columns and number of rows from the given options. Like this, I'm making a table. Another option is by clicking on insert table, dialog box will appear, and here we give the quantity of columns and rows, and this procedure also we can make table. Now the trick is we can make table by plus and minus. We can type plus, again we can type minus, plus, minus, like this. And in this table I want to make 4 columns and 4 rows here. I have started with plus and ended with plus, and in between these pluses I using minuses. So after this I'm pressing on enter button, and with the help of tab button we can create a table like this. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Please share this video to your friends.